Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to the vlog. Hi Dora.
Ayun.
Pupunta kami ni Dora ngayon sa Mind Museum.
Museum.
Yeah, with Gianna.
Shout out to Gianna.
Shout out to Gianna. So, let's go to Mind Museum. Hi. Walking na kami ni Dora papunta ng
I don't even know where is my museum.
there. Nandito kami sa High Street. Punta kami ng Mind Museum. Look at Dora. Diba? Ito yung nilalakad namin, guys. Ito si Dora. Dora! Wait for mom. So, tatawid lang kami.
Guys, look at it.
Going to Mind Museum. Let's go. Let's go, Dora. Ang ganda dito pag Sunday.
Can I tell Elmo?
I'll go. Ayan pala yung Mind Museum, yung may kabila. Lab, go! Tell them what is the Mind Museum look like.
The my museum is like a science and space dome. I experienced the space dome in my school.
Yeah, that's why we're going there again. Because Dora loved the science event in the school.
I really like it because when we went into a big circle, and then there's like some videos, and everybody kept screaming.
So,
I
let's go.
already experienced it in school, so I think I know what it will look like.
Yeah, me too. This is my first time going to Mind Museum. Ayan nako, the name. Zoom natin for the guys. Kita nyo ba guys?
This is my first time going to my museum, but I experienced it in school.
Yeah.
It's a ladybug.
Yeah, it's a ladybug, baby. And ayan nako. Rooms of Life. How do you do that, love? Sige nga. How do you do that, Doors? Baby, you try this one. Go, love. Sige. Make sure don't touch the ano. Go. It's hard to what?
Years ago, Newton
Ay, ang ganda mami dito. Wow! Baby, oh! Ay, ang ganda naman. Diba? Meron sa amin ito dati nung sa Naga. High school kami naman. Parang science centrum. Pero high school na ako. Kung hindi pa kami nag-tour, hindi ko pa mapupunta. What is that? Oh, what's the name of that moon? What's the name? How about where is the...
checking if there's life on Mars, describing its
Go to the moon.
describing its geology, and exploring
Press daw, baby, press. This one love, oh. Oh. What is that? Full moon.
I want to
Oh,
go
this
to,
is the full
wow,
moon.
let's go to the, wow. First quarter.
First quarter.
I'll go put it in the moon. Mama, press.
so interesting because
Oh, what is this, love?
Go press.
What is this?
It's a full moon.
Very good. Oh, see, Gianna knows it. It's a full moon. Oh. Oh, how about this one? Oh, let's have a quiz. What is this?
First quarter.
First quarter. Oh, you go there, the two of you, and you answer. Mommy Kim, yeah, Mommy Kim will press. Go.
Yeah,
Go there, baby. Go there.
Yeah.
Oh, what is this?
A full moon.
Very good. It's a full moon. How about this one?
Yeah,
New moon. How about this one?
First quarter.
Very good. This one.
main goals of this
Hey, you're cheating. You're cheating. Kakala ko alam niya. Ayan tayo eh. Di ba guys? Maganda pala to.
Natutunan pala sila sa
At least may natutunan sila sa... Hindi nalugay yung 2 taon natin sa sa school. Ang ganda naman pala. Ang ganda niya pala, oh.
Jana, come here. Isaiah, you haven't tried this one, no? You tried it. Jana, ikaw. Try it na ba?
Can you try, love? Oh, place your head. Take a picture. Go.
Mom,
Dali na.
carry me.
Wait. Saan ka?
I'm on top.
Wala ka pa. Ayun si Gianna, mami, oh.
Where am I?
Gianna's here. Look. Pretty Gianna. Asan ka na, love?
Mom, come here. Come. Mom, come here. Mom.
Ano to, love?
Mom, I'm going to tell this to Teacher Claire.
What is this?
It's compass rose.
Compass rose.
How about fix these up? Diana. Diana. 1, 2, 3. Smile.
Dinosaur pala to. Maganda siya, guys. Pangbata talaga siya.
Okay, wait.
Picture!
I don't want to fold. I want to play. Jana, look down. Look down. Edea. I'm waiting.
Sige, baby. Mama will follow. Go.
Donut run lang po, ha?
Baby, oh. You want to be an astronaut? Dora? Baby of future. Oh, what is that? Don't higa. Dirty yan. Ikaw talaga. Yeah, ano yan? Ang tawag dyan? Anak, ano yan, nak? Isda.
This one, you try. That's not isda.
Yeah, this one, no? Isda daw. Immersive sea. Wow, starfish.
Hello.
How about yours, anak? Go. You put here, Mama. You have to put it there. Here, doors. Dora, oh, you have to put, and then you check. Ayan yung ano muna ko. Oh. Sting. Ano to, nak? Asa na siya? You want slime, baby? What is that? Ito siya, oh. That, love? You have to talk to the ano. Yeah, press the number and listen. Come on. Come on.
This is Alexander Graham Bale, calling from the Bale Telephone Company.
Oh my God.
I'm just making calls to ask if you...
Go.
Hello? This is Alexander Graham Bale, calling from the Bale Telephone Company.
Oh, go. Telephone company daw, love. You have to press and then Alexander, he is the one who invented the, ano, love, the telephone. Alexander Graham Bell.
I'm just making calls to ask if your cell phone has been helpful. It has?
What's that, love? You have to talk to the, ano. Yeah, press the number and listen. Come on. Come
This
on.
is Alexander Graham Bale, calling from the Bale Telephone Company.
Oh my God.
I'm just making calls to ask if you...
Go.
Hello? This is Alexander Graham Bale, calling from the Bale Telephone Company.
Oh, go. Telephone company daw, love.
Telephone
You have to press and then Alexander, he is the one who invented the, ano, la, the telephone. Alexander Graham Bell.
I'm just making calls to ask if your cell phone has been helpful. It has?
Oh, crossroads.
Try that one.
Later po, after. The BP girl is using it. Ayan na si Gianna.
Helicopter, helicopter. Let me try.
Practice na kayo.
Dana.
Piano Vlogs. Merry Christmas na lang. Galing ng Dora ko ay.
Oh my god, I did it.
Maybe oh. What is that? Wait for mom. Di ba, iniwan niya na ako. Iniwan niya na ako, guys. Iniwan niya na din si Diana, guys. You have to put it here, love, oh. You make stingray.
What will you make?
I don't know.
Make anything.
I don't know how to do it. Ikaw na lang. Go.
I'm gonna write the name.
And then you have to put it there. That's enough. That's enough, love.
No, it's okay.
Go. Dara. That's enough na, baby. Diba guys, ginarin niya talaga. Ginarin niya talaga ang pag-color. That's enough. Put it here, love. Doors. Dito, anak, oh. Dara. Doors. Hurry up. I'm so excited. Put it here.
This one.
What's that?
The Mid-Atlantic Ridge and Iceland are good examples of
It's
this.
Lupa!
Yeah, it's lupa. What is vulkan?
Helps us
Ano yung
understand our
vulkan?
geologic
Vulkan?
landscape in terms of
What
the
is
present,
vulkan?
past, and future. The
Volcano!
Pacific Ring Fauna
Volcano!
No, in EP. Ilan yung lupa? What is vulkan?
to show
It's the solar system. Go, lab. Go, what's that? Where's Jupiter? Where's Earth?
This is Earth without clouds and this is
Ah.
Earth.
Where's the Earth? Without clouds.
Yay! This is... Mama, can...
Kasi yung... Here, baby, oh. Go, love. Go, go, look at your hair. Look at your hair. Oh, what happened to you? Dora, look at mama. No, not yet. Cord lang daw. This is your heart daw, guys. Ito daw yung heart natin. Kasi ito yung ating, ito yung cell.
See? It's right.
Ito ang mga gusto ni sir, mga robot. Si sir ko.
Ano pala pumunta ka dito sa Gangnam?
What do you want, Gianna?
Cookies and cream. I want pumpkins and farewell.
No, no, no. Cone lang. Cone ka na lang.
Cone?
Mm-mm.
I want those.
How about you, baby? What do you want?
Those and farewell. Only here na naman.
Go, blow machine. Paborito niya to eh.
First try.
Wow! Ayan o. Meron na naman siya. Go! Oh, dito. Get na sa... Yeah, go get cinema roll. Ayun na po.
Fine. Wait, oh.
Ayun o. Ayun o. Ayun o. The one in the blue. Yan, go.
Yeah, I know.
Oh no, it's okay.
I kill it. Yana, how do you insert?
Mommy, paano to?
What is that? Is talking underwater okay?
Yeah. Hi guys, pauwi na kami. Thank you for watching our vlog. Paulan na kasi. Bye. Bye, say bye, Dara.
Bye guys.
Shout out to Gianna. Thank you, Gianna. And Mommy Alice. Bye. And Daddy Awing. Bye.